Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to talk about the initial setup of Citrix Cloud. So I was trying to configure Citrix Cloud for the first time and I came across this error message. It says something like, oops, something went wrong. There was a problem signing into Citrix Cloud. Please try again at citrix.cloud.com. So what I did was I thought this was some temporary issue and I clicked on citrix.cloud.com and tried to sign in again and see how it goes. But still I was getting the same error message again and again. So I think this problem is mostly due to some a DNS issue. So what I did was for some reason my local network, my local computer is not connecting fine with the Citrix servers. So I just used a different route. What I did was I just tried to use a different network. I tried to use a different network. Like I used a hotspot to sign in, and I could log in successfully without any issues, and I could see the services and all other information. So if you come across this problem, just give it a try. Try to sign in again. If it fails for a couple of times, then you can try to connect from a different network and see how it goes. And even if that fails, then what you can do is you can just wait for an hour or two, and maybe it has already taken your credentials and maybe it is taking some time to reflect. So you can just try to come back in a couple of hours or 24 hours and try it again, and it should automatically work without any issues. Maybe the setup is already done, but for some reason it is taking time to reflect. So just hold on. If you have tried all these options, so it should come back automatically. So I hope you find this information helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Thank you.